Good afternoon. It's time to talk about week 3. Before we get too far into critical thinking, I have a random note for you. Keep in mind the difference between fact and opinion. A fact is a statement that can be proven true or false. An opinion, on the other hand, is an expression of a person's feelings that can't be proven, although it may be based on facts or emotions. For example, people that deny the Holocaust happened are plain wrong. That the Holocaust happened is a fact, not an opinion. In week 3, we get into the heart of critical thinking with chapter 3. What are the issue and conclusion? The authors of the textbook say right up front, before we can evaluate someone's reasoning, we must first find it. The key words are someone's reasoning. You are looking for the author's issue and conclusion, not what you think about the issue. A note about issues and topics. Issues are questions about a topic. For example, abortion is a topic, but should abortion be legal is an issue. Also on the menu for this week is an introduction to academic research. I've got a couple of videos for you to watch, along with some short readings that cover the research process, the information cycle, and scholarly articles. As we go through the semester, I will assign articles and videos on hot-button topics. These are the kinds of issues that we see daily, and most of us already have opinions on them. Topics like this generally present a stark contrast between the various sides, which makes identifying the issue and conclusion easier, particularly at this stage of the semester. Keep in mind that most issues have multiple viewpoints rather than two sides only. Quiz number 2 is due on Monday, 29 January. The quiz is open now if you want to work ahead. This week you'll start practicing the questions from the books, so the quiz includes some short passages for you to read, and then I've identified the issue and conclusion. You'll notice I ask you to identify the author's conclusion. Look for what the passage says, not what you think about the topic. Week 3 is a discussion week. Remember that we'll alternate between discussion weeks and journal weeks. This week you are to write a discussion post based on one of the 3 questions I've posted for you. You will not see any of the posts from your classmates until you've submitted your initial post. This allows you to not worry if you are repeating what another student said. You can concentrate on your thoughts on the topic. However, it does mean that you can't do the 2 required responses until you've done your first post. Discussion weeks are the exception to the Monday due dates. Your first post is due Thursday, 25 January, with 2 responses due by Monday, 29 January. The 3 posts must occur on at least 2 different days. I want to let you know that I won't grade your assignments until after they are due. For example, you can take quiz number 2 now, but it's not due until January 29th, so don't expect to see your grade until Wednesday, January 31st at the earliest. Why Wednesday? You can submit quizzes, journal posts, and assignments 1 day late for partial credit. Also with quizzes, any question with a short answer response I have to grade manually, so you won't see your grade until I grade them. What questions do you have for me? Post them to the questions forum in D12. Enjoy the week.